Hello everyone, my name is Devlet and today we are going to study cases or in Turkmen language Düşümler. In total we have 6 cases in Turkmen language, 6 cases, and today we are going to study 2 of them. So let's get started. The most important thing is not to waste time. So the first case is Padежи, nominative case. Padежи. Students, before starting, I would like to tell you that in Turkmen language, the 6 cases and 5 of them has suffixes, but Padежи has no suffixes. So that's why today we will study 2 cases, because Padежi, it's easy, it has no suffixes, it has just questions. So this is what I wanted to tell you. This case answers kim, neme, nire. Kim, who, for the people, neme, what, and nire, where. For example, Ashgabat. Where, nire, Ashgabat. Ashgabat is the capital of Turkmenistan, so it's a place. And it's not Ashgabat, no, because g, as I said, and when we studied the consonants and Turkmen ABC, I told you when we have g in the middle of the word, we read it as a g. And the same things with the b. When we have b in the middle of the word, we read it as a v. So no need to read it as a ashgabat. It's actually weird. So I read it ashgabat, ashgabat, ashgabat, ashgabat. So nire, ashgabat. So Padежи, it is used for the subject of the sentence. Subject of the sentence. For example, men muallim. I'm a teacher. It is written as a mugallim, but I read it as a muallim because spoken versions differs. Not mugallim, but muallim, or some people also say muallim. Mugallim, muallim. So men muallim, men kim, who, men. So it's a subject. Padежи. Then çay içmeli. İçmeli, iç is a drink, meli is a should. It's a suffix. Then çay içmeli. You should drink tea. Neme içmeli. Çay içmeli. Çay. Neme. What? So this is about the Padежi. So now let's get into the next slide. And there we would study iyilik düşüm. Number 2. The genitive case. In English language, it is genitive case, iyilik düşüm. This case answers the questions such as kimin, whose, nemenin, of what, nirenin, of where, if we can say that. It is usually used to show the simple possessive relationships. So why do we need it? In order to connect 2 objects or between them, to show the possessives between the object and subject, between the 2 objects, and so on. So this is why we need it. For example, if I want to say my father's car or the car of my father, so we need to use this case. For example, menin qakamın maşini. Menin, my, qaqam. My father, qakamın, my father's, and machine, the car of my father, my father's car. So this is when we use it. So the suffixes of the genitive case. The suffixes of genitive case, iyilik düşüm. İyilik düşüm. İyi means actually owner. İyi means owner. So you can say the case, the owner case. So because of using this case, we make one let's say object belongs to some subject. That's why. So nung, ning, after the vowels, we have the different suffixes nung, ning, nung, nung, ing, ong, ung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 suffixes, and we add them after some specific vowels or consonants. It depends on the word. We cannot add just one of them. So nung ning we add after the vowels. Nung nung we add after the vowels, but one syllable words with round vowels. One syllable words with round vowels. Here we add them, we do not add them after the round vowels. Nung nung we add after the round vowels. Ing after the consonants, and ung after the consonants, but if the word has one syllable and that syllable is rounded, after the one syllable words with round vowels which end with consonants. So this is I hope you understood. Unfer, pay attention. When we add iyilik düşüm, to the subject, we also add a suffix ecc to the owned object. For example, if you remember ecc in the previous video, I explained to you the possessive pronouns like my, your, her, his, its, our, they, mening, thening, onun, biding, thiding, olorung. So there we studied the suffixes ecc. Those suffixes are the third person plural and singular suffixes which we add after the object. So here we use them also. So iyilik düşüm we add after the subject, and these suffixes ecc we add after the owned object. For example, ashkhavadın hovathi, ashkhavadın hovathi. Here we have some grammar which we explained before, which we studied before. For first of all, ashkhavat, it must be t, but when we added vowel suffix, t changed to the d. Why? Because there is a rule of letter transformation, kptc to the gbdj. If you don't remember, or if you miss it, this grammar point, please watch the previous videos and you will understand. Ashkhavadın. So here is a iyilik düşüm. The word ended with a consonant, so we added Then hova. Here we add thi because it ends with a vowel and we add the consonant. Usually, students, if the word ends with a vowel, we add the consonant suffix. If the word ended with a consonant, we add the vowel suffix. Of course, there are exceptions, but usually we try to do like this. So, ashkhavat is a subject, hova is an object. So after the object we add ecc. After the subject we add iyilik düşüm suffixes. Ashkhavadın hovathi, the weather of Ashkhabat. Gulshadın mashkhalathi. Gulshad is the name of the person, name of the girl. Gulshat, again it must be t. We added and it changes to the d. Gulshadın mashkhalathi. Gulshad's family. So here mashkhala is an object, family. Gulshad is the name of the girl. Gulshadın mashkhalathi. Another example. Maşinin eyethi. Machine is a car. Iyilik düşüm. Thi is an object. So the suffix of the object. Maşinin eyethi. The owner of the car. Eye is the owner. And the last one. Topun renki. Top is a ball. If you pay attention, students, o is a round vowel, so we add We add not topun, but topun, because here we can add o is just one, top is a one syllable word, and when we add it's also it would be the second syllable, so it is okay. We can add topun renk. Renk is a color, and it ended with a consonant, so we add vowel. And another thing, why we add e, not I? Because e is ince. İnce çekimli, that is front vowel, and we must add front vowel. Topun rengi, the color of the ball. I hope you got some knowledge from this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next classes. Bye bye.